In this video, I'm going to share 5 simple tips to help you clean and organize your kitchen cupboards. Hi, I'm Jen with Home by Jen, and I share cleaning, organizing, and DIY tips for the home that any mama can do. Cleaning and organizing your kitchen cupboards is probably the last thing on earth that you want to do. It's overwhelming, and really it seems like an impossible task to start. I want to take that overwhelm and struggle out of the entire process and share these 5 simple tips with you. So let's begin. So the first step to a clean and organized kitchen is to remove all of the items from the cabinets. Now when you do this, instead of just tossing everything into a big pile, try to keep everything separated so it's easy to find its home. Once everything is removed from the cabinets and cupboards, it's time to clean the cabinets and cupboards, the shelves, everything. Make sure to use a food-safe cleaning supply for this. So wipe down all of the cabinets and cupboards with a food-safe cleaning wipe or rag and all-purpose cleaner. Now that your cabinets are clean and everything's out, it's time to start sorting. So my third tip is sort through all of the items in the cupboards or that were in the cupboards. So go through old expired food and toss that, and then go through all of the items and remove any unused, something that you just don't use, and broken items. This will help eliminate some of the kitchen clutter. My next tip is take note of what you have and what you might need. So at this point, it's a good idea to create a list of items that you need. Are you running low on brown sugar? Do you need vanilla extract? Things like that that you might not remember to put on the grocery list. My final tip is when you start putting everything back, create a nice cohesive system. So what that means is you're going to kind of create zones. So maybe all of your dinner dishes or normal dishes are in one cabinet. The cups are together, the plastic containers are together, the pantry is together. So you're not running around the entire kitchen trying to find one thing or another. So I have created a complete checklist with an additional steps in there to help take your kitchen to the next level of organization. It's completely free and you can download it below. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.